Hello, thank you for joining me. This is the phone tripod stand I got from Temu on my last unboxing video. So I want to start using this tripod stand and I want to figure it out. So I decided to show you how I go about it. So it has 3 legs. I'll pull out the two this way. So the idea of this tripod stand is for phone stability while filming. So I'll push the two stands forward and make sure that it's stable. And after doing that, this is what I have. This is what it looks like. The next thing now is to check out the where I'll be fixing my phone to. So this button here, I'm going to press it so that I can lift this part up, okay? And I can either push it down or lift it up this way. And my stand is okay now. The next thing I'm going to do now is to open up this phone holder, okay? This is what I'm going to use to attach my phone, and it has two openings I can use to fix the holder to the stand. This phone holder will help me film either on portrait or landscape. So I'll use this opening now to decide if it's landscape or portrait. So I'm going to try it this way first, and I'm going to place it on the stand this way. And under at this point, there's something you can use to tighten it, okay? And after doing it, this is what I have. So if I want to have this on a landscape or portrait, I'll just go ahead and fix my phone. The phone holder has a part I can stretch, okay? So I'm just going to insert my phone now through it this way. If I want the phone to be on the selfie, I'll place it this way, or I can turn it. And I really love this tripod stand because it's going to help me during my live streaming and during a selfie video, or maybe you can just turn the camera to the other side and just, do your thing. So I try to turn it on a landscape and it's not stable. So that means I'll have to turn my phone holder and fix the other side of the nut to the phone stand. So I'll just unscrew the phone holder from the tripod stand. So I'm going to fix the holder to the stand this way. I'm going to use a down opening, okay? After I fix it, then I'll go ahead and tighten. After I tighten the nuts there, it's going to be firm. I cannot easily place my phone on a landscape. Whenever I want to use my phone, I'll go ahead and expand the phone holder this way. This way, the tripod stand can conveniently hold my phone on a landscape. I can also use this as a selfie stick. All I need to do is to put the stand in this way. Then I'll remove the phone holder. If I want the selfie to be on a portrait, I'm going to adjust the phone holder and use the side for the portrait. And if I want it on a landscape, I'll go ahead and make adjustment to the phone stand. And now I'll fix it this way, and I'll go ahead now and attach my phone. And if you want this, I'll drop the link for you in the description box on how you can shop directly from Temu app and it will be delivered to you on your doorstep. And this is me turning my phone around. I can film myself as selfie, or I can film the other side. It's really easy to hold, and you can even carry it on your purse, in your bag, and no one will even know you're carrying a tripod stand. And you can also search my code to get $0 items with qualifying orders. Terms and conditions apply.